Hello guys. So today I got a special thing from Amazon, 4-in-1 fast charger, which is a wireless charger for multiple devices. So I'm going to do unboxing of this thing. By the way, I got this around $20. I will open the thing. Let's see what all it has. Okay, so it has a cable, a charger, the wireless pad. What else? And a user manual which shows you how to use this thing. Let's see. So this is okay. Let's see how to put this thing. I think you can. Okay, you can adjust this thing for your mobile. I will put this in the socket. Okay, so where it is. Okay, so it has a charging port here on the back side. I'll put this thing here. So I have put the thing. You can see the red light is glowing. Let me see whether it works now. I put my iPhone here and it says, okay, so it started charging. You can see here. Let's try other devices also. Okay, so I have Apple AirPods Pro. I will put it here. Okay, so I think it is supposed to be, it's not wireless, so you have to put it in this socket. Okay, and you can see the red light is glowing. That's cool. Now for the watch, let's see how it is supposed to be. Apple Watch Series 5. Okay, it started charging. Okay, that's great. So simultaneously, and you can put one more thing here. Apple Pencil also, which I don't have as of now, but when I get one, I will make one more video and show how it works. So as of now, everything looks good. The iPhone is charging, Apple Watch is charging, and Apple AirPods are also charging together. So everything is good, and you can see the blue light. Initially it was red, now it is blue. That's great. So only this much for today's unboxing video. Thanks a lot for watching.